What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to send one-time view pictures on Messenger. It's pretty easy. You just have to follow the steps I'm going to show you and don't skip any part so that you don't miss any step. Head over to your Messenger application and once you are there, go to any conversation and then go to the camera option right here. Here, click a picture. Once you click a picture, there will be an option of one-time picture or off, like it will be turned on and off. There will be a system of it. So if we just turn it off, it will be saved into your chat, and if you turn on, it will be set for view once or one-time view. So tap on send, and as you can see, the photo or one-time view photo is sent. This is how you can do it too. Hope this will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.